Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove choices in Google Forms. If you want to edit or remove multiple choices options in Google Form, you can do so without deleting the entire questions, and here's how. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open the forms and locate the question. And to do that, just go to your web browser and then type in Google forms.google. Make sure you access the workspace.google.com/product/forms website. Now after you enter, make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Once you log in, you'll be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. Now here, open the form you want to remove the choices from. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now I'm going to create a question that has a multiple choices answer right here. Find the multiple choice drop down or checkbox question you want to edit. For example, I'm going to find this one right here. This is the question. The second step is to delete an option. Hover over the choice you want to remove and click the X delete icon next to it. For example, this is the option right here. I'm going to add options. I'm going to add another option. As you can see, you can delete them by clicking on the X button right here and removing them. Third step is to edit choices, and you can do that by clicking on a choice to edit its text instead of deleting it. As for the fourth step, is to remove the entire question. Now if you no longer need the question, click on the trash bin icon to delete it completely, or simply click on, as you can see here, this is the question. We're just gonna click on the trash bin, and as you can see, the item is deleted. You can still undo it if you didn't mean to delete it. Now Google Forms allows you to edit or remove specific choices in multiple choices, checkboxes and drop-downs questions without deleting the entire questions. If you liked the video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.